In this video, I am going to show you how to share internet from one PC to another using Ethernet cable. Ensure you have an active internet connection and make sure both computers have internet ports. 1. On the control panel on the Windows computer, open the Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings from the left side menu. Connect the internet using Wi-Fi or portable devices on the host computer. Select both the Ethernet and Wi-Fi adapters simultaneously by holding the Control button. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter with an active internet connection and choose Bridge Connection. If prompted with an error regarding LAN or high-speed internet connection, follow these steps. Right-click on the Ethernet adapter and choose Properties. Under the Sharing tab, and check the option allowing other network users to connect through this computer's network, and click OK. Then select both adapters again and choose Bridge Connection. A new network adapter named Bridge Network will be created, and right-click on the Bridge Network adapter to open Properties, and ensure both Wi-Fi and Ethernet boxes are checked under Adapter Settings. Connect an Ethernet cable from the host computer's LAN port to the client's computer's LAN port. No configuration is required on the client computer, and after connecting the Internet cable, the Internet connection should be active on the client's computer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.